belts and parachutes, all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies up to head in the door. Coming, make your jumps and take your boats today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.
This makes it much more difficult for y'all. Yeah, this makes it much more difficult for y'all. Okay, it takes us a little bit to get organized. All right, is everybody ready? Timers, are you ready? Cutter, are you ready? Get it, Adam. 1, 2, 3, go! He is so confident with his cutting, he even tries to imitate Ray Charles. All right. It's just a little old simple shotgun shell. You can do this. Oh, and it's upright. That's a 15. Yeah, baby. And the card, not the block, the card. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have one of these knives, you can also try this at the house. But if you do not, got all three?